Hello guys, you are watching my front door getting ready to be replaced with a new hurricane proof door. Guys, I also switched out my windows, but I lost the footage for that. So my windows were replaced as well to new hurricane proof windows. And as you can see below in the lower left corner, those were the original windows. They were picture windows, but just beneath the larger open part of the window, there were these little window panels. And so as you can see with the new windows, they don't have that. And but again, they are hurricane proof windows, which I absolutely love. And I have already taken the time to clear off the front porch off camera, guys. So I've taken off all of the furniture, and what I'm going to start doing first is I'm going to use a fogger on the front porch. The mosquitoes tend to love to house themselves right there on my front porch, so I'm going to use a fogger to go ahead and repel the mosquitoes. I'm going to use an insecticide solution inside this fogger that does help repel mosquitoes, flies, and gnats for up to 6 hours. It is a Ryobi, it's battery operated, and I absolutely love this fogger. I use it on the back patio all the time, and it works really, really good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fog this entire front porch and go ahead and get myself ready to work mosquito free. And then right after that, I am going to take the blower to go ahead and clean off any dirt and debris that I have here on the front porch. Also blow out the window sills to clean out any dirt from those areas as well. And then right after that, I am going to take a cleaning solution that I did purchase from Home Depot, and you attach it to the water hose and you spray the area down with this solution. You allow it to sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you go right after and you rinse it off with the water hose, or you can scrub some of the more stubborn dirt areas there. As you can see, I do have some very dirty areas on the towel. And so what I did was I attached a jet nozzle to my water hose, and I used that to clean off the tougher areas. I do have a pressure cleaner, but my husband said that it wasn't working. I would have opted to use the pressure cleaner, but it did the job, but it didn't do as well as the pressure cleaner would have done. Okay guys, so I am going to go ahead and jump right into the reveal of my refreshed front porch. And guys, when I tell you, the next morning, my husband and I enjoyed the hell out of this front porch. We had our coffee out here, and we really just sat out here and we enjoyed it. And so guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy the tour with some music. And guys, I do want to thank you so much for always coming back, tuning in, watching the videos. To my wonderful subscribers, you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Always coming back, always hitting that like button, and always leaving your comments. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you are watching but you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Again, guys, I am hoping and praying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I cannot do it without you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, and also leave your comment. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell while you're at it. So guys, go ahead, sit back, enjoy the rest of the video. And thank you so much once again.
You're so good looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. me wanna pull my roots down. Yeah.
So I wanted to drop back in really quickly, guys, and let you know that you cannot have new windows without new blinds. And so, guys, we ordered these custom-made blinds from Home Depot. They are zebra blinds and they operate with a remote control. I absolutely love them. And this remote control has 6 channels. So you can definitely program up to 6 blinds or windows using this one remote, and you can operate each window simultaneously using the same remote. So I absolutely love this feature. I absolutely love the blinds as well. They are blackout blinds. I have them, forgot the color that I ordered them in, and as you can see, here's the remote. But it's a very small remote. Again, it has 6 channels. You can operate up to 6 windows using that same remote. And so, guys, I love these blinds. I love these blinds. Love, love, love them.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, oh, won't you tell me how you feel? Hey.